picked this up the other day at Best Buy. Exactly like this. No box, no nothing. They literally handed me this and the power adapter. And that's it. It was the strangest thing. It's the first time I've ever gotten something from Best Buy. Not even in a box. Not even in a bag. They literally handed it to me like this. The Best Buy I was in no longer gives plastic bags. I don't know if that's all over the Best Buys, that they're no longer giving out plastic bags, but in this one store in Jersey, they literally are not handing plastic bags, so they handed it to me just like this. So this is the Alienware, I forgot the model number, it's going to be in the description. I'm going to have the description read off. I picked this up so I can use it as a gaming laptop. I'm gonna be using this to plug it into my Oculus, and I'm thinking of getting the Alienware dedicated video card. I forgot the name on that. I'll mention it later when I get the exact name, and I'll mention it towards the end of the video. But there's a port in the back for that, and that I thinking I'm gonna get it just to have it set up so I can just use this regularly, and then when I'm gonna game with it, I just plug it in with that dedicated adapter. It's a 17-inch laptop. It's got really high specs on it. So let me just show you around it before I read off the description, or I have actually my iPad read off the description to you. So this is the right side, to USB, super USB speed. Hold on 1 minute. So on the right side, according to the description, are 2 super speed USB 3.1 type A ports, which are these 2 right here. And then on the other side, is 1 Killer Network E1550 gigabit Ethernet port, which is right here. This flips down just a little bit. And then next to that should be another USB super speed 3.1 type A port. And then an audio for headphones or for speakers to plug in. These are just vents. And in the back is going to be the power. So number 3 is going to, the first port, this one right here, is going to be the power DC in port. Then this one's going to be the HDMI 2.0 port. Number 5 is going to be, this port here, I'm reading off the description. They have them numbered, so that's why you hear the numbers. Mini display port 1.3 output. Then the next one is the Thunderbolt 3 port. So it has both, and then it has an Alienware graphics amplifier port. So this is what I'm interested in. This allows, if I get the external display. Now, I don't need it because this has a 2070. But instead of bothering plugging everything in and out, because I'm going to be using this as a regular laptop, and then when I go to game, I want to just be able to plug in and have everything already preset. So with the amplifier display port, with the external display port setup, you could already have everything plugged in, all the USB ports and everything, and all you need to plug in is this port. And that's it, and you're done. So it's just more of ease. I'm thinking about getting, I'm not sure yet, but I might get it. So I'm gonna have the computer read off the description while I show you the actual item itself. This thing is huge. So I was curious as to weigh it. So let me do the scale. And weigh this thing. This thing is just feels like it weighs, wow. That's a heavy power adapter. I'll scan the bottom so you can get the description at the end. You'll have a photo of it so that you can, you know, if you need another one for this specific item, you'll have all the information at the end too. I mean, I'm showing it to you now, but at the end it'll be a clearer picture. The actual laptop, let me see if I can weigh it. About it's over 6 pounds. So it's a heavy laptop. I can't imagine it has much battery life. These are the type of laptops you use plugged in all the time. I mean, I do. So
Alienware 17.3 inches gaming laptop. Intel Core i7 16GB memory. NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2070 512GB SSD plus 1TB plus 8GB hybrid hard drive. Epic silver model. AWM17-7219SLV-PUS SKU 6,320,424. Get the tools to achieve victory with the 17.3-inch Dell Alienware gaming laptop. Featuring an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2070 graphics card with Max-Q design, this laptop smoothly handles visually intensive titles at high settings. This Dell Alienware gaming laptop delivers vivid colors and makes games look sharp and detailed with its 17.3-inch Full HD display. Windows 10 operating system brings back the Start menu from Windows 7 and introduces new features, such as the Edge web browser that lets you mark up web pages on your screen. 17.3 inches Full HD display with 60 Hz refresh rate. The 1920x1080 resolution boasts impressive color and clarity. The IPS technology provides wide viewing angles. 8th Gen Intel registered sign. Core i7-8750H mobile processor, powerful 6-core, 12-way processing performance. The Intel Turbo Boost technology delivers dynamic extra power when you need it, while increasing energy efficiency when you don't. 16GB system memory for intense multitasking and gaming. Reams of high bandwidth DDR4 let you smoothly run your graphics-heavy PC games and video editing applications, as well as numerous programs and browser tabs at the same time. 1TB hybrid hard drive and 512GB C solid-state drive SSD for blend of storage space and speed. The hard drive provides ample storage, while the SSD delivers faster startup and data access times. NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2070 graphics with Max-Q design backed by an 8GB GDDR6 dedicated video memory for the ultra-fast, advanced GPU to fuel your games. Premium build. High-end materials like magnesium alloy, copper and steel provide a premium, lightweight and performance-driven gaming experience. HDMI output expands your viewing options. Connect to an HD TV or high-definition monitor to set up two screens side by side or just see more of the big picture. Thunderbolt port for connecting advanced monitors and external drives. This single interface supports both high-speed data and high-definition video, plus power over cable for bus power devices, ideal for digital content creators. Next generation wireless AC connectivity 2x2, 867 Mbps. Connect to a wireless AC router for nearly 6 times the speed, more capacity, and wider coverage than wireless N, 150 Mbps. Backward compatible with all other Wi-Fi networks and hotspots. Built-in webcam makes it easy to video chat with family and friends or teleconference with colleagues over Skype or other popular applications. Backlit keyboard for easy use in dim or dark locations. Type comfortably and maneuver through games with ease. Advanced thermal technology. Alienware Cryotech v2.0 optimizes component cooling, which maximizes overall performance and keeps your laptop cool to the touch. Alienware Command Center. Keep your Alienware M17 ready for any battle through Alienware Command Center that lets you balance system and thermal performance. Minimal bezel. Maximum viewing featuring Alienware's first ever narrow bezel display. The slimmer frame maximizes viewing space, allowing visuals to come alive with a crisp range of colors. Basic software package included 1-month trial of Microsoft Office 365. Additional ports: headphone, microphone, combo jack, and Alienware graphics amplifier port. Note: this laptop does not include a built-in DVD/CD drive. Intel, Pentium, Celeron, Core, Atom, Ultrabook, Intel Inside and the Intel Inside logo are trademarks or registered trademarks of Intel Corporation or its subsidiaries in the United States and other countries. Deliberately slim. Decidedly savage survival of the thinnest. Defeat every opponent with a machine that's engineered to be our thinnest and lightest 17 inches gaming notebooks yet. Manufactured with strict build tolerances and high-end materials, it ensures optimal performance without ever sacrificing power. Bigger visuals. The M17 is designed for total immersion and maximum portability, with a larger 17.3 display to take you even deeper in the game. Gaming at a premium, built with high-end industrial materials like magnesium alloy, one of the lightest structural metals in the world. The Alienware M17 is meticulously designed for a performance-driven user experience. Magnesium alloy improves rigidity, steel ensures tactile comfort, and copper in the thermal module keeps the graphics and processor cool. Commanding performance kick performance into high gear. Engineered with 8th generation Intel registered sign. Core i7-8750H processor. NVIDIA registered sign. GeForce registered sign. RTX 2070 Max. Q design with 8GB GDDR6 graphics and 16GB of 2666 MHz DDR4 memory. The Alienware M17 possesses powerful performance for uninterrupted gameplay and other activities. No shortage of storage. Experience faster load times and a quieter system thanks to multiple storage including in 512GB CM, 2 SSD plus 1TB, plus 8GB SSHD, hybrid drive. Seamless graphics. Smooth fast motion graphics are crucial when the pressure is high. That's why we created a stunning and immersive in-game experience with an FHD 1920x1080 display and a refresh rate of 60 Hz for incredibly high frame rates. NVIDIA registered sign. GeForce registered sign. RTX 2070. The powerful new GeForce registered sign. RTX 2070 takes advantage of the cutting edge NVIDIA 2-ring TM architecture to immerse you in incredible realism and performance in the latest games. The future of gaming starts here. When it comes to next-gen gaming, it's all about realism. GeForce registered sign. RTX 2070 is light years ahead of other cards, delivering truly unique real-time ray tracing technologies for cutting-edge, hyper-realistic graphics. Tools gamers need make your presence felt. A front-facing integrated camera offers FHD resolution for incredible clarity. Emphasize every battle cry with dual-array microphones featuring speech support from Windows Cortana. Killer TM networking. Killer TM E2500 Gigabit Ethernet controller is designed to deliver incredible throughput and lower latency gameplay, heavily reducing any lagging or jitter. Killer TM Wireless AC 1550 allows you to upgrade up to 1.73 GB per second max throughput for even more high-speed gaming, and prioritizes internet traffic and data streaming with Killer Double Shot TM Pro. Calibrate your controls. Now you have control over your hardware and software environments. Not only can you tailor the hardware for each and every game you play, you can personalize the space and setup to make your software look and feel precisely the way you want it, without interfering with your gameplay or other activities. ACE Library Science. The easy-to-use interface links all your various system settings with a gaming library, making it simple to access gaming information. No matter what the source, the Command Center gives you easy access to your games and the ability to fine-tune settings for each one. Create a unique game profile and it stays just how you want it, no matter where you launch. Alien FX Lighting. The game has been changed with FX Lighting. You can personalize your machine by choosing from an array of color options and effects that correspond to different zones across your system. In addition, you can create custom themes, save those for later and then swap between them to help accelerate your editing. Backlit keyboard. Yes. Screen size info 17.3 inches. Touchscreen info. No storage type. HDD. SSD. Total storage capacity 1512 GB. Solid state drive capacity 512 GB. Hard drive capacity 1000 GB. System memory. RAM. Info 16 GB. Graphics. NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2070 processor model info. Intel 8th generation Core i7 processor model number i7-8750H operating system info. Windows 10 home battery type lithium ion. General product name 17.3 inches gaming laptop. Intel Core i7 16 GB memory. NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2070 512 GB SSD plus 1TB plus 8GB hybrid hard drive. Brand Alienware model number AWM17 AWM17-7219 SLV-PUS Color Epic Silver Color Category Silver Feature Backlit Keyboard Yes Cooling System Air Operating System Architecture 64-bit ports Headphone Jack Yes Number of USB ports Total 3 Number of USB 3.0 Type of ports 3 Number of HDMI outputs Total 1 Number of Thunderbolt ports Total 1 Number of Thunderbolt 3 ports 1 Display Screen Size Info 17.3 inches Screen Resolution Info 1920 x 1080 Full HD Touchscreen Info No Display Type Full HD Widescreen LED Storage Type HDD SSD Total Storage Capacity 1512 GB Solid State Drive Capacity 512 GB Hard Drive Capacity 1000 GB Solid State Drive Interface C Hard Drive RPM 5400 revolutions per minute Memory System Memory RAM Info 16 GB Type of Memory RAM Info DDR4 System Memory RAM Speed Info 2400 MHz Cache Memory Info 9 MB Number of memory slots 2 Number of memory sticks included 2 Graphics NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2070 Graphics Type Info Discrete GPU Brand NVIDIA Video Memory Info 8000 MB Video Memory Type Dedicated Processor Brand Intel Processor Model Info Intel 8th Generation Core i7 Processor Model Number i7-1750H Connectivity Internet Connectivity Wi-Fi Bluetooth Enabled Info Yes Network Wireless Networking Info Wireless AC 867 Mbps Ethernet Gigabit Ethernet Card 100 Number of Ethernet ports 1 Compatibility Operating System Info Windows 10 Home included build in webcam Yes Optical Drive Type Info Non-numeric keypad Yes included software Microsoft Office 30-day trial Power battery cells 4-cell battery type lithium ion dimension product weight 11.7 pounds audio technology 7.1 digital audio certifications and listings Energy Star certified info no EPI qualified info no warranty manufacturer's warranty Parts 1 year manufacturer's warranty, labor 1 year.
So that was the description. As you heard, it's backlit. I'll start up the computer and I'll videotape it, and I'll be doing some tests with some benchmark software, and I'll show that towards the end and give you my final view on what I think of the laptop. I'm just a regular user. I just like a lot of gadgets. I'm no expert in anything. I just do these videos if they help others understand things that I may know and they may not, or they actually, sometimes you guys write things below and it educates me, so that's why I do the videos. So let me go on to booting it up and turning it on and running the benchmark and showing it on the video. I tried out the laptop for what I wanted for, which is for gaming, the Oculus and everything's working perfectly. I have no regrets whatsoever. 17-inch 2070 video card. I did a video on the fact that I purchased the external Dell graphics amplifier, and I have that connected to it also with a 1080 video card in there. I know, there's a 2070 in here. It's more for convenience, if anything. I tried installing a 2080 card in here, it didn't fit. So I swapped out the 2080 with a 1080 Founders Edition that I have, and I put it in here. And I'm very happy with the laptop. I'm happy with it. I think it works well. I haven't even heard it make any noise whatsoever. I bought a little stand for it to keep it off the floor so that if it gets hot, it'll be a little bit off the table. You can see I bought those little feet back there. I did a video on that also, and I like it. It works very well. I'm very happy with it, and I have absolutely no complaints whatsoever. Love the laptop. I think it's a great price for what you get. I think it was $1,100 total, so I'm very happy with it. Totally very happy with it. Alright, so I hope you liked the video. I hope it helps. Thank you.